In the realm of automobile facelifts, a minor adjustment can have a major impact, as evidenced by Jeep's recent renovation of the Wrangler's iconic 7-bar grille. In a time when bigger is often deemed better, Jeep opted for a smaller grille that still looks proportionate with its 7 slots, but is noticeably thinner. The grille's slots are universally black, with the exception of the Wrangler Sahara, and are engineered to enhance engine cooling. Furthermore, the redesigned grille creates space for an 8,000-pound worn winch, a factory-installed feature now available on Rubicon models. For the upcoming 2024 models, it is noteworthy that no changes have been made to the powertrain options, as the same set of engines will be retained. These options include the turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6, 4xe 2.0-liter turbo plug-in hybrid, and the Rubicon 392, which still boasts its 6.4-liter Hemi V8. In terms of transmission, an 8-speed automatic is available for all models, while the 4-cylinder and V6 versions can use a 6-speed manual. It is, however, worth mentioning that Jeep has announced its plans to electrify its entire lineup by the end of 2025. This statement implies that the brand's decision-makers are keen to reduce the carbon footprint of their products, thus showing their commitment to sustainability. In addition to the revised grille, Jeep presents a plethora of new wheel options that are factory-fitted, ranging from 17 to 20 inches in diameter, with certain packages capable of carrying tires that measure up to 35 inches. Furthermore, both hard and soft roof options have been revamped with new models, including the Sky One Touch PowerTop, in order to improve aerodynamic efficiency. The windshield integrated stealth antenna is another addition aimed at optimizing the vehicle's air resistance. Although noticeable changes have been made to the Wrangler's exterior, there are some new features on the inside as well. A 12.3-inch center touchscreen is now standard in all Wrangler trim levels. Its placement necessitated the elimination of the round climate control vents in the center of the dashboard, which have been replaced by small rectangular vents that blow hot or cold air from below the screen. Rounded vents remain in the corners, and the rest of the interior remains unchanged visually. The latest Uconnect 5 system operates behind the scenes, providing the Wrangler with a variety of connected services. Included among them is the Trails Off-Road Digital Guide, the first factory-available off-road guide built into the infotainment system. This guide includes numerous well-known off-road trails, such as California's Rubicon Trail and Moab's Hell's Revenge, among others that are part of the 62 Jeep Badge of Honor trails. These guides appear on the center display and can identify crucial trail waypoints, points of interest, and the trail's level of difficulty. A premium subscription unlocks access to over 3,000 more trails for those who desire more variety. All of the familiar Wrangler trim levels are returning for 2024 with the addition of 2 new models. The Sport S4 XE, which retains the 20-inch wheels and a range of driver assist systems of a lower spec trim while incorporating plug-in hybrid power. The Rubicon X, on the other hand, brings more capability and tech to the upper levels of the Wrangler family, with 12-way power front seats, a 9-speaker Alpine stereo, Napa leather seats, integrated off-road campers, steel bumpers, full-time transfer case, 35-inch tires, and more. Underneath the surface, Rubicon models are outfitted with a new Dana 44 HD full-float solid rear axle, and a new 100-to-1 crawl ratio is available. Additionally, all 4 XE hybrid models are now equipped with a Powerbox battery pack with 4 120-volt outlets for powering gadgets on the go. Over 85 active and passive safety systems are included in the 2024 Wranglers, such as second-row outboard seat belts with pretensioners and improved structural reinforcement for side impacts.